you going? You're going way too fast.
I'm going too fast.
Look at how fast you're going. You're
How fast am I
going.
going?
You're going 80 miles an hour on this thing, and the speed limit is 65 miles an hour. Emily, you're hitting 105.
It's actually
Look at you guys see this? That is way too fast. Are you serious right now? You're gonna kill us. You're gonna get us in a wreck.
Oh my gosh.
Right on this road. You're gonna kill us all. Okay, guys. So today we're gonna be doing a little bit of a different video. Emily, you want to go ahead and explain what we're gonna do?
You're explaining.
Why am I explaining? I don't like explaining things because I'm not very good at them. That's why.
What are we doing?
We're going Christmas shopping.
We are?
I don't know. That's what I said. I don't know. I don't really know. I'm just kind of.
This is your channel.
You know what? What I'm doing is I'm gonna eat this candy cane, okay? And this candy cane is gonna taste really good, okay? And then we're gonna go find some Christmas sweaters and wait me waiters, and we're gonna go try them on, go wear some stuff, you know, and then we're gonna do something fun. I don't know. We're gonna find something to do around here.
No.
We're gonna go pop off.
You did something explaining. Do you want to do ugly Christmas sweaters? Or do you want to get matching Christmas PJs?
I don't know. Whatever you want to do. I don't.
Put a poll on your Instagram.
A poll on my Instagram? Alright. Alright. So if you guys are watching this video and you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys are about to see this poll happen right now. Christmas sweaters?
And if you don't,
Or pajamas, bro.
if you don't follow him on Instagram, what's your handle?
At Michael Thing 38 right here. Drop it down in the description.
So
Don't you hate these stupid little things right here? When you're trying to eat a candy cane and these things get stuck in your mouth? That's just junk, bro. I hate that so much when that does that. You're just trying to eat a candy cane nice and peacefully, and then this little wrapper right here gets all stuck in your mouth. I hate that junk. Get out of here. Carried me to my car.
It's right here.
Emily, how do you feel about that? Everybody was like, you know, saying how like,
You're a little princess?
yeah, I'm like a little princess, and like, you know, that I got, you know, you were carrying me to my car and all that through the mud, you know?
Mm-hmm.
How do you feel about that? Sacrificing your shoes for the mud there.
You know, what can I say? I'm just the best sister in the world.
So what are we gonna be doing? What are we doing actually right now?
We're at Chick-fil-A.
Trying to get some food in here. Window.
Oh. Thank you. That's so awkward. We just got Chick-fil-A. Here's your Chick-fil-A sauce.
I'll pop it off on this.
We got some French fries. You gotta show them what you got.
Sorry guys, I'm just really hungry and I'm eating it right now.
Here
Okay.
is
No time to show you what I got.
mine.
No time. Ugh. I'm trying to open this Chick-fil-A sauce. Is Chick-fil-A sauce really this hard to open? Like on a daily basis or
No,
what?
it's hard for you.
Do people like dip their fries in this? Good thing.
Yeah, not so clear it is. So we just uploaded a poll on Michael's Instagram. We're gonna see what we eat. We're gonna wait for people to vote.
Ugly sweater is 25% and PJs is 75%. So honestly, it's looking pretty positive for the PJ
I'm
side.
excited.
Looks like we might be getting PJs instead of
PJs?
the ugly sweaters. To be honest, I don't know really what I wanted. Either one would have been fine to me, honestly, because I wouldn't have like, I'm not that picky about that stuff. I'm not. Pajamas actually sound more comfortable anyway.
Pajamas are so
To be honest, I'm not like an ugly sweater person, I guess.
Then we should have done the ugly sweaters, man. That's still 25 to 75.
Oh, it's the same. Emily, we should get these
You want to?
dresses instead.
They're not really dresses. They're jumpers.
They're what?
They're like jumpers. They're full body things.
Dude, I can't like keep this mask on. Look, it just falls
I
off.
told you.
I can't. This is how I keep my.
It says it's green, but it says vanilla frosting.
So it's green, but it's vanilla.
Let's see. Oh, green and red.
I feel like I'm absolutely no help for you, by the way. Like, I hope, like, I mean, I hope. I know that I'm no help for you, actually. Because what I'm doing is I'm floating around. I say, hey, do you need this? No.
What kind of... Help me pick the wrapping.
I don't know. I'm lost now because this one looks kind of cool. I like the white.
Mm-hmm.
But I also like the brown. The brown looks like old-fashioned. You know what I'm saying?
There's like...
You listen to me, all right? You listen to me. You understand?
Okay. You hold on to that.
Feels so cool, guys. Guys, I'm gonna try to make it inside her basket from here.
Is that perfect timing?
No, I was trying to. What's up, guys? How's it going?
Put your head.
We got this time. Here we go. Perfect. Oh, that was so close. Why'd you catch it? That was going in, bro.
I'm good.
Oh. I almost just died on the curve. Oh, jeez. Okay, I switch mask. As you can see, I look like a doctor thing here. here to check you over. All right. All right. How do you? We're at Cole. Where is the sign? I'm all like this.
There's a hair stuck in my nose.
All right, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Dun, 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 dun.
Are you gonna wear this?
Am I gonna wear that?
Mm-hmm. That's what you said.
Oh. Okay, that's something.
Here, look. We finally found pajamas after 10 million years of looking.
Get some of that! So today we are going to be
No, okay.
beating each other up.
You got
Oh, drop that! Boom!
Throw your panda away.
I'm gonna throw your panda away. Okay, so we just got back from shopping at all these stores. So now we're going ahead and get dressed in our pajamas. Should we get dressed right now?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
You
Ready?
gonna jump into it?
Yeah, ready?
1, wait, so 1, 2, 3.
Good job. Okay, Tyler, you know what's funny? I went around Kohl's and I was stashing these bad boys in like little mannequins' pockets. And I was placing them on what the heck did I put it on? I put it in some shoe. I put it in the shoes that display like leather shoes. Oh my god, if I swear if I get like subscriber and get a message on something and said I found your card, it's gonna be Alright guys, so we're gonna get this thing popping off here. Get these cookies going, you know?
I left it on.
I haven't had chicken cookie in like a
I
while.
got distracted.
Gotcha.
Boom.
Boom. Are you sure you know what you're doing? Right? You got this under control?
Yes. But
Like,
I've never
you're not
made
gonna
them like
burn them,
this.
or you're not gonna like jack up the recipe or something?
Maybe.
Because this is pretty simple.
So we need 2 eggs.
I think so. I'd jack up.
Why?
Because I don't know what I'm doing. You seem like the profesh at this. Would you say? You're the profesh?
Yeah.
You say that you are the best cookie
More
maker.
professional than you.
Well, anybody's more profesh than me. I'm just the guy that holds the camera. Or the guy that drives the car. That's it. That's
You
the
don't hold
only.
the camera. I hold the camera.
Well, yeah, you mainly hold. You actually do everything. I don't really do anything besides
Yeah,
drive.
I'm just like.
I do absolutely nothing, guys.
Yeah, no.
I do absolutely zero. Nothing. Nothing.
It's basically my YouTube
It's like,
channel.
yeah, it's basically her YouTube
I
channel
film of my
that it has my name in it. And basically, yeah, she just films me and that's it. So, how do you feel about that?
Oh,
Basically, what's happening here is that I'm taking all your credit.
yep.
How does that feel?
So good.
Feels good?
Love people taking credit for my stuff.
Yes, that's exactly how it is. You know,
Mike fling everywhere.
oh,
I'm not very good at this thing.
oh my god. Oh my god.
tomorrow's my birthday. I got 2 presents. And do you want to pick which one?
Alright, which one?
This one,
They look the same.
this one,
Okay.
or this one. So we got 2 presents.
They look almost
So I got a
identical.
Christmas present and
They're
a
just different
birthday
wrapping paper,
present.
that's it. They're like identical.
Okay, yeah.
Can I guess?
Yeah.
Okay, so are they both electronic?
Yes.
They are. Okay. Wow, okay. Does it have anything to do with racing?
No, neither one.
Neither one? Wow, okay. Now I'm not gonna get it, so.
Tyler, which one should Michael pick? Come here.
So
You have a
which one?
choice. Which one?
Small one or little one? Which is, small one or little one?
Just open the one with the red bow.
Why? Because you don't want me to have that one. How come? This one's better. Obviously it's better.
No,
right?
I
That's
want
okay.
to.
We'll save it for Christmas. I'll get the one with the red bow then.
Okay.
I'm scared, guys. Is this like some trap or something? All right, are you guys ready? Yeah. All right.
Dude, we're trying to save the wrapping paper.
Nice. Oh my gosh! No way. You guys want me new ones? What? Dang! Check that out. That is something cool. Oh my gosh, these are really expensive too. Yo, that is something so cool right there. Thank you guys. That's awesome. Thanks guys. You guys are so cool.
Birthday.
Hey, so they're electronic, they have nothing to do with racing. See, that does have something to do with racing. That gets you pumped up for racing. You guys are a bunch of liars.
So backstory: the ones that Michael has are broken.
Yeah.
But he still
Yeah,
uses them.
I have something like these, but they're a little broken. I know, hard one. Should we test them?
Yeah.
I kind of want to try it. Yeah? Is it okay?
Let's look at them.
Let's open it up. Oh. Oh wow. Wow. Oh, that is soft.
It's got the.
Oh, it is. Feel it.
Yeah, like it's
Feel it.
squishy.
Oh, it's
Wow.
the. Dude, that's cool.
That is so cool. These are like nice.
I'm pretty excited.
Yeah, me too.
Oh,
It's an iPhone charger.
Yo, these are cool. It is? Oh, that's the new update, huh?
yeah, I don't know.
That is cool.
10-minute charge. Plus
So who told you to get these? Mom probably told you about
No,
these, huh?
I just got them.
Really? You
Yeah,
got
I
these?
got them because your other ones were broken.
Really?
Yeah.
There's no way. Mom had to tell you something.
No, she told me after I bought them.
What?
She was like, I told her that I got those ones. And then she was like, well, he wanted the noise canceling ones.
stickers.
Shout out to Beats. Beats, if you're watching this, make sure you guys sponsor this video, and I'll put this
We'll
right
keep
on
this
my
in
car.
the video
I will.
how much money.
I will put these on my car if Beats sponsors me. So guys,
Imagine.
let's go at Beats right now, and let's
Let's tag them.
let's tag them and let's see how many. Let's see if we can get their attention. And
Because I kind of objected
It's the
to these,
whisper
so you can go look at them.
Oh really? You
Yeah.
good?
Go look at them.
Oh my gosh! Yo, what the
They're
heck?
just like really thick. It
They're not
said
even-
to
is
just
this
drop
not
them
hot?
on there.
I mean, they don't look like. Why is this thing not focusing?
It doesn't for some reason. I don't know how to work this thing.
Are you sure you know what you're doing? Right? You got this under control?
Yes. But
Like,
I've never
you're not
made
gonna
like
burn them,
this.
or you're not gonna like jack up the recipe or something. Give us an interview.
They were too dry, so I might have added a little bit of water, not on the recipe. Then I might have added a little too much water. Then they came out a little runny, so then I added flour.
Stupid.
And
How do you feel about that?
that's what we got.
I can't even take them to lunch now, so.
No, here, try it.
No, that thing's like a rock.
No, it's not.
I heard it.
No, it's fluffy.
Here, try it. It looks like a
I
biscuit.
just ate some.
I don't know.
It doesn't really look like a cookie. It looks like a biscuit.
Cheers. Oh, you're.
Oh my god!
You are.
Dry as hell.
You know, you're not being very nice right now.
I'm sorry.
Did you do that on purpose?
No, they're just dry. I was like,
It's okay, Emily. You're
Literally,
okay.
try one. They're not
You're
that
okay,
bad.
Emily. You're not a bad cook. You're just messed up this time.
Try one. They're not that bad. Dramatic, right?
No, it's not trashy, it's just...
Not good.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you guys liked it, make sure you guys drop a like and make sure you comment down below what we should do next. And make sure you guys subscribe. Push that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for 500 subscribers. And don't forget to push on those notifications because don't forget to put on the don't forget to turn on those notifications because you always want to be notified when I post a new video. So thank you guys so much for watching again. Peace out.